Hello, it's a short video just to show you how to obtain some of the screws for the MacBook Pro. I sent my Mac to the repair shop. There was something wrong with it, and when it came back, it came with several of the screws missing, as well as all four rubber feet. They're very easy to get on eBay. This is like $2.30, and this one was like $1.79, something like that, with free shipping. So just look it up, you're gonna find it. We're gonna need a small Phillips head screwdriver, and that's it. Let's get to it. We just need to line them up. I got a small magnet on my screw, so it helps me, but sometimes it gets in the way. That's it, perfect fit. Oh, this is kind of different to the rest, so the seller probably got an extra one from something different. It's not the same. Anyway, let's go for the other ones. Has to sit flush. And now all of them are in place. And let's get the rubber feet on in there. It's got some small guides on it. That small hole is a guide, so we'll just have to line them up. With this, it's got some adhesive on it. Let's get to it. But there was still some adhesive left over from the other ones, so let's remove that first. It comes out really easy. Yeah, the rest of them seems to be okay. It just goes in really easy. Let's get the other one. There's a small hole. Sits there. That's it. Same with the rest of them. That's it, folks. Bye.